Hi cooking friends, it's Diane again, and today we are going to make pantry s'mores. I don't know if you guys are as tired of being cooped up in your homes as we are, but nothing like summertime and like a s'more. So we, the children, are going to make our s'mores. We have Kira, Weston, and Liam.
Hola.
And today we are using honey graham crackers, chocolate fudge frosting, and marshmallow fluffy stuff. So if you guys would open the packages for me.
I'm gonna open these.
We only need to open one at a time.
Oh my gosh. I got the fluffy stuff.
Okay.
I get to open both of these. This one we need the second one. And I get to the lid.
That's okay.
Oh, you got it.
And Kira, if you would pass out one full graham cracker to everybody, and then they will break it in half.
Mom, I don't really have an opening point. Yeah. Just Diane. Let's just have Diane make an opening point.
Hold on to it and I'll pull it up. Nice, gooey, fluffy stuff.
Ooh, fluff. I could just stick a spoon in that one.
So we have 1 fork for the marshmallow fluff.
That's just
We
nice,
have
Diane.
one knife for the fluffy stuff, one knife for the chocolate fudge frosting, and Kira's
you're
working
welcome,
on the.
Not my fault, my fingers are cold.
Kira's working on the graham crackers over there.
And I'm itching my.
So 1 full graham cracker to each person.
Big kids first.
And you want to pass one here, and I'll make a couple. Pass 2, one for me and one for your dad.
Dang it.
Oh, okay. So pass him another one.
I'm not really that good at breaking.
Here, would you like some help?
Yes,
We're going to break
please.
it right down the middle.
Did it? Oh, I'm scared doing this.
There you go. It doesn't have to be exact.
Let's go.
Okay, so you take one side of your graham cracker and you spread the chocolate frosting on one side, and you take the other side and spread the marshmallow fluff, and then you smoosh them together.
That's pretty easy.
It's very easy. It's a nice summer tasty sweet treat. Don't put that back in the container once you've licked your finger, okay?
What, this knife?
No, your finger.
I'm only doing it because I have nothing to do.
Okay, well you can pass the fluff down to Kira.
Well, I have nothing to do.
Okay, Weston, are you done with the chocolate?
Up here and almost done. Gotta get
Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
It is. That's how I like it, right there. Graham cracker with lots of fluff.
Stick it in. Yeah,
No
I like mine
chocolate.
all like melty too.
The marshmallow is like the best part.
Yeah, that's right.
Marshmallow's best part. If you don't have a marshmallow, you don't have a s'more. That's true. Perfect. As long as you have a marshmallow, you're fine.
All right, Liam has got his finished. Hold it up to the camera here so we can see it. Oh, look at that yummy pantry s'more. Now take a nice sticky ooey gooey bite.
Oh, I thought we were all going to do it together.
All right, Kira.
Good. Seriously? There's one half.
like,
Look at yours with extra marshmallow.
how do I pick it up?
Oh my goodness.
There we are.
Let's see it.
Oh. Let her take her bite first. I mean. There's marshmallow coming out of the
Is
back.
it good?
Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of more.
That's a lot of marshmallow.
I'm gonna need to wash my hands. I can't even get any of this marshmallow on here. It just sticks to this.
Yep, that's all right. You're doing a great job.
Doesn't even point.
Yeah, they are a little bit runnier than regular.
I think that's my natural.
All right, Weston, put yours together and take a nice big gooey bite.
I need some more.
Oh, yeah.
This one.
Yeah. You can never have too much marshmallow.
Yeah. Whatever. And also, there's not enough on some. There's none on.
Don't. Okay.
Don't care.
Oh. Yeah, you're gonna need to wash your hands.
Ugh.
Ew.
All right, guys. We're waiting for Weston to take his bite, and then we're going to log off.
Cut.
That's a lot of marshmallow.
Yeah, I think you can stop now.
Okay, well, Weston, there we go.
This is
There's so much marshmallow on my face.
Hey.
I think most of my marshmallow fell off.
That's okay. You can just dip your s'more right into it. All right, Weston, let's see.
On my first big gooey bite.
It's okay.
All right, thumbs up or thumbs down?
That's good.
All right. Happy cooking. We hope to be back in soon.
Good.
Bye.
Bye.
Adios.